Alright. Second one there.
Why? I don't even know why you're in the wrong.
Oh, I can't do something else. Shit. Shit.
I have a question. I have a question. I said question.
Yeah, I did it today for.
Yo, Black, I have a question for you. I have a big bag of coal for you. Tell me if you know.
Oh, let's go! Oh, yeah. Yes. Let's go.
Oh, Black, it's only me and you in the server.
Wait, what? What the? What?
Me and you in the server.
What the heck? Oh, this sucks.
What the? How, monkey?
Everyone just left? Damn. Oh.
No. Oh, I'm stuck.
I don't like this boost. Like, it sucks when you're branching.
Oh, you just juked me.
What the hell? Oh, good. What the John?
Oh, I forgot. Dude. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What? Damn, dude. Oh.
Hey, dude. Don't run.
Okay, so we just left, dude. What the frick? Oh, I'm sorry, bro.
What do you do? Come here. Come on, Buck. Come on, Buck.
Oh shit.
No, I wasn't. Come here, Buck. Come here, Buck. No way.
Bro, I grabbed your hand. I'm on walls, bro. Oh god.
Look at you. Oh, no, I can do that too. Ow, my arm hurts. You boy. Oh, my freaking arm.
Oh shit.
Ow.
Oh shit. Fuck.
No. Knocking your walls.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
Where'd you go?
I'm on gazebo, bro.
What?
Shit. Oh no. Oh.
Yo, I just missed.
Bro, why did I do the slide juke? What the frick?
Take it slowly. Stop rushing to things. Stop running to things. Oh god. Brother. On your tail. On your tail. On your tail. No, I'm not. Oh, I'm right here. Here.
Oh god.
That too.
Oh god.
No, I'm too tired. Oh my god. Dude. Nah, don't run. Don't run, boy. Don't run, boy.
Oh no, I couldn't do it.
Here, boy. Little elevator.
Oh. I can't. Shit. Oh my god.
Dude, there's two to me. Oh my god, I'm right in the tail. I'm right in the tail. No!
Brian!
My ankles.
Oh no, I couldn't do
I
it.
can feel them in
No.
Stop. Wait. No, how?
Dude. Oh my gosh.
Come here.
What the hell? Frick.
Oh god.
I know, bro, I'm tired too.
No, mommy.
Frick, bro.
Come here, bro. Don't run. Boy.
What the frick?
Tail, boy. Oh my god.
Oh,
Black.
how did I flick tag, bro?
Just fall already.
Frick, bro.
Escape mode. What's up, boy?
Oh shit. Alright.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh,
GG's, bro.
GG's, dude. Holy crap.
Want to friend me?
Yeah. Wait, will us friend us like in the, wait, don't leave, don't go in there, cause then you're gonna leave the lobby. So how do we friend people? Like, what I'm doing? Through Oculus or?
Oh, give me a second.